In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first client without sending a single cold message and spending less than $100. Before we start, you might be thinking, who's this guy and why should I listen to you? I'm Miraz Ghazi and I have sent more than 100,000 cold emails and generated over $80,000 in pure profit in less than 10 months. And I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. Step 1. We will create an account in Instantly AI. If you don't know what is Instantly AI, basically it's a cold email automation tool. Although there are like other tools like Smartlead, I have been using Instantly AI, so I would highly recommend you to use Instantly AI. With this tool, you're gonna send and manage your outreach on autopilot. They also have a free plan. You can click on get started. They're gonna give you a 7 days free trial, and afterwards it would be $47 a month. So once you create an account and get started with the free plan, step 2, you will need 2 domains. You can use GoDaddy or Namecheap to buy 2 domains. Let's say my company name is Miraz Ghazi. So I'm gonna purchase mirazghazi.com, although I do have this domain. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search mirazghazi.com. I have this domain. Now we can purchase Miraz Ghazi online, or we can purchase mirazghazi.in. I would highly recommend you to purchase only .com domains. Although if you are in a tight budget, you can go for .in or .online. That's it. Don't buy .shop or .services or any other domain. So you're gonna purchase 2 domains, which will cost you around $20 or less than $20 if you go for the .online or .in domain. So after buying them, what are you gonna do? You're gonna wait for a week, because new domains have zero reputation on Google. And if you start blasting emails right away, you will get flagged as a spam or Google might block your domain. So let this domain sit for a few days or a week to build domain authority naturally. Step 3. Once your domains are ready to go, you're gonna go to Google Workspace and you're gonna connect 2 of your domain and start the free trial. So Google lets you use their services for next 14 days and set up the entire Google Workspace account. Then you're gonna create 6 email accounts total, 3 per domain. So let's take an example. Domain 1, you're gonna create Mike at domain, contact at domain.com, and sales at domain.com. Same goes for the domain 2. It will cost you around $5 per account. So after you created the 6 email accounts, and this will be your foundation. Now step 4. Now before we start sending, make sure you have set up MX Records, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. This tell Google that your emails are legit and not spam. I'll show you exactly how to set up these records in my next video, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Step 5. Once everything is ready, connect all your 6 Google email accounts to Instantly using auth method, because it is one of the safest way to add your Google accounts. So you're gonna log into your Instantly account, go to email accounts, and then click on add new. Then you're gonna click Gmail under connect existing accounts. So click on Gmail, click on auth. If you don't know what is authentication, how you're gonna do that, you can watch a tutorial video here. It has everything in it, and then you will be able to connect all of your Google accounts. Once you have connected all of your 6 accounts, let them warm up for next 7 to 10 days before sending any kind of cold emails. Because if you start right away, all of your emails will go to the spam folder because it doesn't have the authority yet. And if you don't know how to warm up these email accounts properly, wait for my next video. I'll cover that thing as well. So now step 6. While your accounts are warming up, start collecting your first 500 targeted leads. What does it mean? A few ways you can get your targeted leads. As an example, you can purchase leads from Apollo, you can purchase leads from Instantly itself, and they're like other database. But I don't recommend purchasing leads right away, because once you purchase the leads, you don't know who need your service and who don't. So that's why you need to collect all of your data manually. Now go to Google and search something like this. If your niche is roofing and you want to sell website development, you're gonna search like roofing companies in USA. Okay, and you're gonna go to the map section. From there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to find out prospects. Let's say if somebody has any bad website, I'm gonna reach out to them. If somebody don't have a website, I'm gonna reach out to them. Their website is pretty boring and outdated. So this is one of the ideal prospect I can have. They're like, no, a lot of things I can actually improve. So this would be my prospect to for website development services. That's how you're gonna collect all of your 500 leads. As I mentioned, visit their website, and if you see something outdated or no website at all, that's your prospect. Get their email IDs from using Apollo extension, this one, or you can use SalesQL or any other hunter.io. Don't be scared if you don't know how to do all of this. Wait for my next videos. I'm gonna actually show you my exact lead generation process. Now, step 7, once you have got your lead, upload them to Instantly. After the warm up is done, now you need your first cold email script. Okay, and this is one of the most important thing in your cold email system. If you don't know how to write a script, if you don't know what kind of script works, I'll give you 3 proven scripts that have worked for me to generate $80,000. All you have to do, follow me on Instagram and send me a GM saying cold email script. You can get my Instagram account in the description and I'll share the form. Now, set up your campaign, schedule your sends, and you are officially in business. I know there are like a lot of things I haven't covered today, like how to create a campaign and when should you send cold emails and everything. I will try to record more detailed videos in the future. So wait for my next videos. So yeah, that's how you're gonna send cold emails and get your first client. I know it's a lot, but once you start doing and once you start taking action and building your own cold email system, it will make sense. The beauty of this particular system is that it's not like cold DMs. Okay, you have to wait or you have very limited time because you have only 24 hours and you could only send 100 or 200 DMs. With this system, you can reach out to 1,000 people a day, 2,000 people a day. All you have to do, get your first client for $1,500, $2,000, reinvest the profit and get more domains, more emails, and scale the system. Once you are set, you're all set to get your first client and make your first $10,000. So hopefully you like this video. And if you need any kind of help with cold email system, reach out to me on Instagram. I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. And wait for my next video. Talk to you in the next video.